Welcome back, biology students. We are going to go into week 13. Some key information you want to know about this week is that progress reports, the second progress report for the first semester is coming out at the end of this week. We, the teachers, need to turn in those grades on Wednesday by the end of the day. I know that I have a couple things more to grade. Obviously, the stuff that was turned in for this last week is going to get graded. I'm going to try and get it all graded by Wednesday, as well as the performance task stuff. So hopefully by Wednesday, I will have grades completely 100% up to date, and then that will be reflected on the progress report that will be sent home. And then after that, we're looking at, I think it's somewhere around 6 more weeks, and then that final grade that becomes permanent is done. So I always tell folks, parents out there, I tell the students all the time, retake the quizzes. That's the #1 way to get their grade up. The notes for all the stuff that's on the quizzes is in the online notebook. They should have done it anyway because that's an assignment for the class. So they get double bonus for doing that work. They get the credit for the notes, and then they get better scores on the quiz. So if they got a bad score on a quiz, they can retake it. If they haven't taken it yet, they can still take it. But it takes a little effort. It takes them reaching out to me and saying, hey, I want to retake the quiz from week 5, or I want to retake the quiz from week 7. And so just let me know. That's the best way to get your grade up. As far as this week, I'm keeping it very simple this week because I want you to do better on this quiz that we're going to have this week. So really only 2 things this week. We're going to learn about something called carrying capacity. We're going to learn about what it is and how it relates to the size of a population and how the resources determine how big a population will be. So we've been talking about populations last week and now again this week. The 2 things you need to do for me this week, we're going to be taking notes on Monday and Tuesday. I don't know if we will get through all the notes on Monday and Tuesday, so that I'm kind of leaving it open to maybe carry over into Wednesday and Thursday. We'll see how it goes. And then the only other thing for the week is a quiz. It is 18 questions. It's a bigger quiz, like the last one was a bigger quiz. And so what that means when it's a bigger quiz is that it's worth more points. So if you do better on this quiz than you have on other quizzes, it'll have a big improvement on your grade. So really this week, I want them to take notes and then combine them with the notes that we had last week with immigration, emigration, natality rate, mortality rate, different situations. I want them to be able to combine all that information into this quiz that they're taking this week. All right, so that's it, notes and a quiz. So really, if you've learned the stuff and you pay attention in class and ask good questions, you should do really well this week. That's basically it. So the notes, when we're done taking them, I'll put a picture in here in case you missed something. And then the quiz for Jupiter, quiz for week 13 is going to be in Jupiter, and it's already there and ready to go. But obviously, don't take it until you are ready to sit down with your notes and do a good job on it. So should be, like I said, piece of cake week. And then grades will come out towards the end of the week. I will turn those in on Thursday. So, like I said, easy week. If you're doing all the right stuff, you should be able to do well on this quiz. But if you're the kind of person that's coming to class and turning on your computer or logging in and disappearing or doing other things, playing video games, I don't know, then you're going to struggle and your grade's going to reflect that. So let's get it done. Let's do well this week. Make sure your class on Monday and Tuesday on time so we can get started right away. And I'll see you then. Have a good one.